Okay. Well, the Vikings won the game, so I ran back out here because I just had to know if this was going to work. Go Vikings. Let's see if I have the same luck. Okay, I got the little pot in there. Where are we here? Let's see. There it is right there. And as you can see, I just kind of melted the wax a little bit just to have it in there, so when I put the top on, it's there. Got it all soldered in on that side, so let's go ahead and apply power. Look at that. It's locked right there. Wow. Yep. Look at that. It's locked there. That's great. So, I guess we'll make sure transmit and everything works. But that's pretty exciting. But anyway, don't be scared of those little coils. They're really nothing. They're just nothing more than a little bit of wrapped wire around a core. And you can just, if you get a broken one, like I showed you in the first video, you can just make a little peg and stick up in there and solder it from the top, which gives you the extra length. Or if you want to be really nice about it, unwrap the wire, measure it, write down your measurements, and you know, rewrap it. It's not hard. It doesn't have to be anything special. You know, they're tunable. So even if you don't wrap it exactly perfect, or you know, there's a little bit off, you're going to be able to tune that, you know, with that core. Long as it's in the same configuration, it'll work. And that's what I see a lot here in the shop, is I see a lot of that kind of stuff, you know, because of you know, one little coil that's, you know, junk or got broke, and suddenly it's a junk radio, and that's just not true. If you're sending your stuff to a shop that tells you that it's unrepairable, it may just be that they don't have the experience. I'm not going to say anybody's bad about it. Just they either just don't want to, or they don't have the experience, don't know how to, or don't understand it. But you know, we're trying to get everybody's radio fixed. Anyways, all right, well, I guess I'll make a video when this is all done, probably in a couple days. I'll set it aside and get some more DDS VFO out, but when this is done, we'll make another video. But for right now, that was the major problem. All right, guys and dolls, have a great rest of the weekend, and don't wake up too early for work tomorrow. Talk to you all later. Have a great evening.